Welcome to the application layer. It captures the apps and data that run the business. Application is the connector. It supports the business processes while being supported by the underlying technology. Let's meet the elements. The application component is the structure, like the POS app. Application service and application function describe behavior. Online ordering service and payment processing. An application interface, such as the payment API, is the access point. A data object holds information, like order data. Application collaboration shows two application components working together. Application process is a sequence of steps inside the application. Application event is an occurrence that triggers the application. Now let's connect these elements. The POS app performs payment processing through an assignment relationship. Payment processing then realizes the online ordering service. This is the core pattern, component, function, service. Payment processing also accesses order data through an access relationship, reading and writing the order data. Application connects two layers. The application service, online ordering service, serves the business process, receive order. These are the apps and data supporting business processes. In turn, technology supports application. The node, restaurant server, and system software, database engine, serve the application component, POS app. So application serves business while technology supports application. Let's build the example. The application component delivery app is assigned to the application function payment processing. This function realizes the application service online ordering service and accesses order data and menu data. Finally, delivery app is composed of the application interface payment API, the exposed access point. The application layer captures the applications and data supporting the business. Components provide functions, functions process them, services offer them, interfaces connect, data objects store information, serving business, supported by technology.